Hi, Tayden. I'm sorry this is giving you a little bit of a problem today, but thank you for being honest and asking. So I'm going to give you a little rundown of what your work should look like. So if we start with number 9, you'll see a picture and you're going to have 4 Y's. So I'm just going to kind of draw it out for you. If you go to number 9, and then you're going to have a bunch of circles there, and then you're going to have another set of circles. So number 9 is going to look like this, right? So what it wants you to do is to simplify, meaning it wants you to add up all the Y's. So that would be, there are 4 Y's. You don't know what Y is. You just know that there's 4 of them. That's where we're going to put 4 Y's. And you're going to add up all the like circles. Let's see, that should be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9Y, and this has plus right there already, so we're going to do plus 14. So the answer for number 9 would be 4Y plus 14. So hopefully that helps you to do number 11. So for the simplify expressions, let's start with 13. That says 6 plus 4x plus 2. So for that one, let me write that down here. You're going to simplify or put together the things that are alike. Now, because this 4 is attached to an x, you can't simplify that. But you can simplify the 6. I believe that's a 5. I can't read no, that's a 2. Can't read my stuff backwards. So you can add those two together. So we're going to add together the whole number. 6 plus 2 is 8. Doesn't matter if 8 goes on one side or the other. And then 4x. The only two numbers that you can put together are the 6 and the 2. You can't put it together with a number that has a variable next to it unless x is with this 2. Then you can put it together, but because it's not, you can't put those two together. So the answer for number 13 is going to be 4x plus 8. Okay? I'm going to do another one with you. Let's do 15 together. That says 2x plus 3x. So because both of these have the x variable, you can add these two together. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the whole number together, which gives you a 5. And then you're just going to put x. Okay? So the answer for that one is going to be 5x. So you're just adding together or combining the things that you can. If there's an x in it, you can combine the two things with an x. If there's something without an x, they can only be combined with something else that's not an x, okay? All right, let's see what else we've got here. On the back, like 23, it wants you to, again, simplify that number 23. It says 5 times x. The answer for that is just going to be 5x. You're just putting those two numbers together. For 25, it's 3. Remember, when it's in the parentheses, that's times 7x. So you can multiply the 3 times the 7, which would be 21, and then just put an x next to it. So it'd be 21x. Okay? So you're just trying to combine as much as you possibly can. If you go down to writing equations, like 31, that shouldn't be too bad. It says 5 added to y equals 11. You're just going to write out an equation for that, which would be 5 plus y equals 18. Okay? So you don't have to solve. You're just writing an equation for that. And then down below where it says evaluate the expression, let y equal 4. That's for 37 and 39. You're just substituting 4 in for y. So hopefully this helps you, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, honey.